Okay. So in general, in Azure, there will be several services like file services, SQL as a service, and also like MySQL, SQL Server, or MongoDB, or some kind of file system. So all of these are different services which we are using inside the Kubernetes. Kubernetes లోపల ఇలా మనం డిఫరెంట్ సర్వీసెస్ వాడతాం అనమాట. మన ఎస్క్యూఎల్ అయినా కావచ్చు, మామూలుగా అయితే మనం స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం కదా. సో మామూలుగా అయితే మనం విండోస్లో ఎలా అయితే స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటామో అదే విధంగా అజూర్ క్లౌడ్ లోపలే మనము ఎస్క్యూఎల్ అనేది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని సో వీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు స్టోర్ అనమాట. సో అలా ఐ మీన్ ఒకవేళ మనకు అలా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉంటే దాని యొక్క సీక్రెట్స్ అంటే ఏంటంటే దాని యొక్క పాస్వర్డ్స్. సో హౌ కెన్ బి ఏబుల్ టు చేంజ్ దోస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఐ మీన్ యూజర్ ఐడి అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్. జనరల్లీ ఈ ఒక ఎస్క్యూఎల్ డెవలపర్ ఉంటారు. సో వన్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ డెవలపర్ వాట్ హీ విల్ సే ఇస్, సో ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 90 days we have to change our you know password of the I mean MySQL or something. So those kind of situations will come for us. So what we have to do is we have to use the Azure Kubernetes uh, secrets to manage the sensitive information such as passwords, authorization tokens, SSH keys అని ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ సెన్సిటివ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. సో అది ఎప్పుడు ఎవరికి కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉండదు, కేవలం ద యూజర్కి మాత్రమే. అలాంటిది కూడా హ్యాక్ చేస్తారనమాట. ఓకే. సో అలాంటివి హ్యాక్ చేయకుండా మనము అజూర్ కుబర్నెటీస్ సర్వీస్లో మనం వాటిని స్టోర్ చేసుకొని వాటి యొక్క పాస్వర్డ్స్ చేంజ్ చేయడము ఇలా మనం చేస్తామన్నమాట. ఓకే. సో ఓకే. సో క్రియేట్ యా. సో like this actually we will start, and actually uh, we can able to change the password and also user ID. So for this, what we have to do is we have to first create an YAML service, and after that we have to update the particular secret or particular password of the uh, you know uh, service, and also we have to update that particular service and we have to save it. Okay. So this kind of things is actually possible with the uh, Azure Kubernetes as a service. So they will come to you, one of the your company as an incident or something you will get, and in that incident they will mention like you have to change the password for the particular service. For example, Kubernetes as a service, for an MySQL you want to change the information. So in those cases you can able to change the particular you know secret. Okay, so let me show you the process. So let me give you here one small thing. Okay, so here one second, I am logging in into the Kubernetes service. One second. I am actually logging into the portal. Friend. Okay. Friend. బసవరాజ్ కరెంట్ పోయిందా? So for first we have to create the Azure Kubernetes service. So after that, actually we have to go for the you know secrets file. Okay. So that let us think currently okay, currently LS I have cloud drive and I have some kind of LS again, some kind of replication YAML I have. So okay, in this I have to create a file. Let us think it is SQL. So like this, I have to create a particular file. So this file it will be already available. I mean for the user. So here since we have to create that environment. Actually, I am bringing that file with me. So let me. So next, after this, I have to go for the this particular. Okay, one second. So, first, I have to create a particular API version. Okay, I have to go for this file, mysql hyphen db dot yaml. Okay, in this file, we have to create our, this secrets. I mean, secrets in the sense this we have to create for our application. So this is the YAML file. So the API version I am taking as like V1, and what is the kind for this is like secret. Secret is the kind for the file. Okay, and after that give okay, and after that metadata column and give an enter there. Here again I have name, and I have to give here MySQL DB password. MySQL DB hyphen password. So what is this? All are three. First one I have taken API version. Second one I took kind. What kind of file it is? That is a secret related file. Third one is like metadata. Metadata means information of the data. So where I am taking the name colon MySQL DB password. So and also I can take okay, so let me take here one more that is like opaque type is opaque colon opaque. So what is this opaque meaning is, okay, I will mention here often. So, opaque means that from the Kubernetes point of view, it is a arbitrary key and value base. So means what we are doing is we are just I mean pointing to the Kubernetes saying I mean these are the secrets which are unstructured. Unstructured in the sense whatever you are giving some password that will be encrypted on the network. Okay, so like those kind of scenario. Suppose if you are giving some kind of admin, so that won't be stored in the network as an admin. So it will be stored as a some alphanumeric value so that no one can able to hack it. Okay, so for those kind of things, this opaque is actually used. Opaque is the contents. Opaque means the contents of the secret. This secret is unstructured. Okay. So like this, actually, we have to, I mean, mention opaque means the it will what it will do is whatever the secret we have that that will be actually uh, unstructured. Okay. So the next one is like data. We have to give the data here. So for the data, what is the thing here is we have to give the password here. DB hyphen some password. So this password this will be given by your I mean particular manager or somebody. So can just like an example I am giving. So judge X EB EG some 1 2 3 something like this. It will look like. Okay. So whatever this manifest file, we call this YAML file as a manifest file, Kubernetes manifest file. So this whatever this Kubernetes manifest file is there, so that file we have to actually save it we have to save this file. Okay. Uh, colon WQ exclamatory means where we are just wrote that file and we are saving. So if you go back and VA means view and enter, you could able to find whatever the information you have given for the Kubernetes. Okay. So if you give Q and also exclamatory, and if you are coming out, this is a quitting actually. We will actually come out of from the particular file. Okay. So yeah. Now suppose they have told you to add a particular an environment. So they have actually mentioned you to add a particular mm, environment for your file. Okay. So in those case, what we can do is we have to start the environment. So that what the environment will contain. The environment will contain secret key reference and also password. Okay, these two actually that particular you know SQL will contain. Okay, now let me show you here. So we have to go for sub kubernetes secret dot yml. Okay, so in this file we have to mention the whatever. See, I mean already we have mentioned it. So we have to give the environment. Okay, so we have to mention there only. Not here. So here this file, just go back for this file. And, so there, here we can give the env environment, and also here this environment we can give like name. Okay, that hyphen name, and also we have to give whatever this MySQL root. Okay, my MySQL whatever is installed. So that root we have to mention here, and also we have to give here some values from. Okay, which I mean from where you are looking the values from. We are looking the values from the one is name, other one is DB password. Okay, so you have to give here values from and colon, and also we have to give here secret uh, secret key ref. Okay, these are actually important terms. So how do you create a secret? That's one of the interview question. So they preferably to ask. So they will ask like what is the YAML file you have created, and what one, and also what is the how you stored the database, and how you created the environment. These and all they are interview questions only. Okay, so name, and we have to give here MySQL hyphen so DB hyphen password. Okay, so this is the one, and after this we have to give the key. Okay, so in this key we have to mention the password. What is the power password name? DB hyphen password. So this is the environment. we are we are actually creating. So this is about environment where it refers to DB name and key. Okay. So next one is actually, yeah, DB password MySQL. Next is like values. We have given here values from next whatever the, I mean, values are there. So this particular YAML file, actually we have to configure like this. What is from the environment, in which SQL root you are giving. Next is like what is the secret key references. Those are the secret key references which are there above. So once the user is actually running this application, so he will get the password from here, here actually. Okay. So like that, this will be, I mean, getting stored. So the colon WQ exclamatory, it will save the, okay, I think I have given the wrong exclamatory colon WQ exclamatory. Okay, so this is the file we have created. So finally we have to use the kubectl space apply hyphen space hyphen f. We have to give here my hyphen sql hyphen db dot yaml. Okay. So if you are applying this command, then your whatever your application SQL secret will be stored internally, and that will be used across to the developer. Okay. So this is how we have to create a particular file. So in this session we saw how to create an YAML file for the Kubernetes secret, how to create a particular password and name, and also how to use them in the environment, and also how to get the secret key references, and where we can able to show the name and also key. So those are all things we saw. Okay. So everything like actually these are all should happen with the Kubernetes service. So if I run my Kubernetes service, then you apply this particular command. Then if this is a real-time task, so where you will have the SQL server in the behind, and the SQL, I mean this not SQL server, MySQL in the behind, and you are going to change the particular password actually. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
It is as simple as it is as simple as you are creating. You just need to learn about this YAML file. Okay, this YAML file and its structure. Okay, what is an OPQ? What is a what kind of YAML file it is? How to create a DB password, and how to use the DB password in the environment. And so these are all. This structure is a little important. So not only for the I mean MySQL, if you go for some other I mean uh, file systems or something where you require password, they so you will get the request to change or or use those passwords. Same structure we have to use. Only thing we have to change is like the name and password. So what service they are looking for, and what password, what passport they are giving. So those things actually we have to ensure, and and also we have to give give back to them. Okay. So Yeah, that's all about the storing the data in the uh, Kubernetes secrets. Okay, so start recording.